We are gonna do a fidget spinner box by the name right there. And she's going first. She's going first. And I'm going last. So let's do this. And at the end, we're gonna spin all of them and see who wins.
Is that yours?
Mia's gonna. Okay, let's see which one Mia gets. See which one Mia gets. Mia got a circle one. Spin it and show it to the peeps. That's so cool.
I go next?
Yep. Natalie's next.
I got this triangle.
She got a triangle.
Ah, I'm happy. See what I get.
Let's see what she gets.
Oh, the gold one. Yep. That's a long way. It's kind of hard. Some things these are going to do.
Okay.
So, got this.
Natalie got a golden one and a money sign. Show it to the peoples.
Spin it and show it to the people.
The peoples. The peeps. The peeps.
Please stop telling me that looks so funny.
I'm watching it. I'm watching. So spin it. That's cool. Look at that, guys. That's cool. So it's my turn. So, in there. Let's see which one I got. I got the one I put. Really? Okay. Let's see which one I got.
I got the one I picked.
Okay.
Like you not get my plans.
Here, who wants to hold the camera? You don't know?
I will.
Okay. Hey everybody. So I got this red case. So let's see which ones I have. Okay. So I have an Astros one, and that is it.
Okay, it's me.
In this Astro one, it's really bad. I don't know why.
Okay, my turn?
Yes, your turn. Which one do you get? Which one do you get? Which one do you get? She got a white with the green things.
Would you like me to spin it?
Yes, spin it for the people.
Okay.
That is pretty cool.
Wait, do you pull all of it so they know? Okay.
That it spins for a pretty long time.
Okay, guys, here I'm
Okay.
next, and I got this one.
Got that one.
Oh, I see the I see the baddest one.
That is pretty cool. Okay, it's my turn. Who wants to hold the camera?
I will. Again.
Aiden, look at your jalapeno plant.
Oh! Okay, ready? Set, go. So I'm gonna get. Oh yes, I got
The bad one.
I might have a watermelon
pretty
by the
bad.
river.
See?
Really?
Okay, it's me turn.
Ready? Let's
Put
go.
two of those coffee tables.
I will hold it this time.
No, I got it.
Look, Tia, it's your turn. So I'll hold it.
No, you.
I don't have any
No, I haven't hold it yet.
I thought he would.
Aiden, I haven't hold it yet. Can I hold it?
It's your turn. It's your turn.
I was supposed to.
Okay, let's see what she gets.
I get the, me and Mia get good ones.
She got a glow in the dark. So let's.
Here, I'll show it.
Here, let's go. Let's
I'll
go.
show it for all of it.
Yeah. Who wants to see it in the light? Here, come here. Bring the box. Bring all your fidget spinners. Hey guys, we're gonna see this fidget spinner in the dark. So we can do it. Let's go. Let's go.
What are you doing?
We're gonna see if this light up one goes. So, Mia, at the door. So, hold
I
on.
don't like this. It's Mia. We're gonna have a light.
So,
If this one lights up, it's gonna be awesome.
okay, ready? Everybody, get it in the bathtub.
No, I'm not gonna do that.
Okay. I will go get a fidget spinner. So that is the fidget spinner in the dark. Okay, hold on. Can't really see it, but it's right.
No, I did not fade in.
No, not really. But
Probably
it's
you.
kinda.
Probably doesn't work again. Mia's here. I don't like your bathtub.
Okay, here's your fidget spinner.
It's not Aiden's house. Right, Aiden?
Yeah, it's not my house. It should be. I wish it was.
Why?
Because it's funner here than at my house.
Why?
Because
Your house bowling.
Yep.
How bowling?
Here.
We had to go.
I left when Nick
We
and
are
Laura
here.
did, so.
This is my baby brother. Hello. Say hi to the peoples.
A minute! No!
Okay.
Don't interrupt my eating.
Oh my goodness, it broke again. Oh no.
Let's just finish the video.
Okay.
Again.
She
Y'all are
is.
killing me, Small.
She's gonna do it. She is gonna do
Okay, don't put me on the video.
Okay.
We already did.
When I'm wanted in many states. Your socks.
So, okay,
my
we still
bad
got-
one.
let's start.
This is my dad's turn. It's my turn.
I know.
Give me a paper towel, please.
Okay. Paper towel, get in a paper towel. Everybody get in a paper towel. No. Hold on.
Thank you. Okay, it's my turn.
Here.
It's Aiden's turn.
And my turn.
Okay, this is my bag Fidget spinner case. My turn. I don't hold it. This is
Oh, I got a blue one.
let me hold.
I got a blue one. Blue to the boo and the hoo hoo hoo.
Okay, now do you want to do? Because it's my turn. Okay. Hold it. Make sure you can see me. Okay, me. It's my turn. Okay.
She got a white one.
Okay, she's spinning it. It's my turn. Yep. Okay. Can I hold it? No. Fine. This is my bag Fidget spinner case. You cannot zip it. Look at all Okay, can I see that through the video? I can spin this like this. Or I can spin it like this, but it's a little too big for me in here. It's not. It's easy for me to spin.
That's what I always
I
feel
just
bad.
want to spin it. I just want to spin it.
And they dated like our whole senior year.
It's my spinner. Mia tries to get it.
She can't even use it. She has tiny hands.
We don't need
Tiny
any.
fingers.
I just want to spin.
Look, show it to the peoples. Show it to the peoples. Cool.
My cousin's going to be doing it. She's 6. Older than me. I'm 6 too.
I'm older than both of them. I'm 8 and they're 6. So I'm older than all of them.
My birthday was just a few days ago, right, Aiden?
Yep. So you turned 6.
It was the most, they said,
Aiden,
talked about
look at Mia.
so much stuff.
I can't do it on my nose. Do it again.
I can do it.
My
on
daddy
my-
can do it on his nose and it balances perfect.
No, I can do it. I can do it. Okay, everybody, comment down below if you want to see. If next video, if you want to see if I can balance that circle one on my nose.
Look,
You want to
Aiden.
see that one?
Aiden,
What?
look.
Oh my goodness, she's balanced on her forehead.
I can do it on my
Forehead.
forehead. I can do this one on my
That's
forehead.
bendy.
Up, forehead.
There she is.
That's easy. I do it all the time.
Okay.
So is it a reality show or not?
Mine's not stop. I can do it on my knee.
Okay. Bye, guys. See you later. Say bye. Bye. Say bye.
Bye. Fidget.
And bye, peoples.
You know, you're crazy. Like, but